Imagine having a mobile base that moves safely around people, fits into tight spaces, and works seamlessly with your team. That's TIAGo Base, a smart certified solution designed for factories and warehouses. TIAGo Base is a great option for warehouses and factories to optimize their production processes. R&D teams that need a flexible platform for testing new solutions. It handles loads up to 90 kilograms and adapts to different indoor work environments. Smart navigation allows TIAGo Base to move safely in cluttered spaces. With WebGui, track TIAGo Base in real time, check its diagnosis, add points of interest, design new routes, and map your warehouse. And with Fleet Manager, you don't just automate one base, you control multiple at the same time. Program everything in one step, keep production flowing, and make sure your operations never stop. Easy integration with ERP systems makes it compatible with other automation solutions. TIAGo Base collaborates with your workers, making daily tasks easier, and adapts to your existing processes, ensuring quick integration. Want to take the first step into automation? Start small, scale smart, and let TIAGo Base do the heavy lifting.